without further delay, let me start the today's class. And today we'll be discussing about this table of question number 13 and 14 up to 12. We have already done so many examples also we have already done, so I don't think there will be any problem with that. If you are having a problem in increasing and decreasing order, then we'll be discussing at last of this class. And today, so this table you can see the question number 13 here. In question number 13 there is a complete the following addition table. So in question number 13 and 14 there are the table is given, and according to the question you have to do the simplification. Here the column and row has been given and various numbers has been given, and now you have to do the addition. Suppose here 18 and 18 is given, right? So now how you have to do it? Now the question is asking you for the addition, right? So minus 18 is there and you have to do the addition. Therefore I wrote there plus, and in bracket again there is a minus 18, since here in the column also there is a minus 18. So I will be keeping it in a bracket. Then after minus 18 will be there, and minus into plus. Now you can look at this, minus into plus becomes minus only, right? So it will be minus 18 only, and then after it is equals to minus 18, and minus 18 is equals to, first of all let me calculate it like this, 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. 6 will be there, 1 will be carry over, right? So 1 will be carry over, that means 1 plus 1 3. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, plus 1 carry over is equals to 3. And since both the numbers, both the signs are negative here, so we'll be writing here minus, right? Okay, next question will be like, now you have to do similarly in each columns. Okay, one number you took it from this row, first row, then you have to add it to first column. Then after second column, like minus 18 plus minus 17, again minus 18 plus minus 16, minus 18 plus 0, minus 18 plus 16. So like that you have to add all and you have to place it in the each number. Here we will be writing here minus 16, okay, minus 36. And next one, now look at this second row only. Second row we have minus 17, right? In second row we have minus 17, and in first column we have minus 18. Now what we will be doing? We will be writing here minus 17 plus minus 18 is there, so I am writing minus 18 in a bracket. So minus 17 and minus 18. Minus 17 and minus 18 is equals to minus 35. So here I'll be writing minus 35. Again what will you do? Again you will be doing minus 17 plus minus 17. Minus 17 plus minus 16. Okay, like that you have to complete this whole table. Next one, first of all I'll be teaching the both, and then I'll be giving you to write down in the classroom, okay, like a class work. Okay, another is the complete the following multiplication table using the rule column into row. Column into row means, first of all we have to look at the column, then after into the row. Row means this one, right? Here we have column, various columns are there. Look, columns means in a vertical line, okay, and row means horizontal line. So here we have the row, minus 3, minus 2, this whole line is a row, and here it is a vertical line, that means it is a column, okay. So since the question is asking you to do the multiplication table, multiplication by column into row, so first of all we will be writing, okay, okay. Now what the question is asking you, there is minus 3 and another is also in row also there is minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 3 will be there, into minus 3 will be there. So minus into minus, minus into minus becomes plus, right? Plus, and 3 into 3 becomes 9. So minus 3 into minus 3 becomes plus 9. No need to write plus, so we'll be writing 9 only, and here we'll be writing 9. Similarly, minus 3 and minus 2 is here, so minus 3 and minus 2 is there. So minus 3 and minus 2, again minus into minus becomes plus, and minus and minus becomes plus, and 3 into 2 becomes 6, so it will be plus 6. No need to write plus, we'll be directly writing 6 only, and here we'll be writing 6. Okay, similar way you have to multiply here also. Okay, let me see orally. When there is a minus 3 into minus 1, that becomes plus 3. Minus 3 into 0, always when 0 will be multiplying, the result will be, the product will be 0. So minus 3 into 1 is there, so only 1 is there, there is no negative sign, so minus into plus sign is minus, and 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, like that you have to complete.